Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use old bricks. First, ensure your bricks are clean by removing old mortar and dirt with a wire brush or chisel. Next, carefully inspect each one for cracks or significant damage, setting aside any that are too compromised. Finally, sort your usable bricks by their size, color, and overall condition. This preparation ensures a successful and aesthetically pleasing project, whether indoors or out. Old bricks are perfect for enhancing your outdoor spaces. You can lay them to create beautiful, winding garden paths, adding a touch of timeless charm. Consider building a robust fire pit, approximately 3 feet in diameter, for cozy evening gatherings. They also work wonderfully for constructing raised garden beds, providing excellent drainage and a neat appearance for your plants. These projects add both beauty and functionality to any yard. Bring the warmth of old bricks indoors with creative decorative applications. A stunning accent wall, perhaps in a living room or kitchen, can add incredible texture and a unique focal point. You might also craft smaller items, like sturdy bookends or charming doorstops from individual bricks. For a truly cozy feel, design a rustic fireplace surround, transforming your hearth into a welcoming centerpiece. These ideas offer timeless appeal. Beyond aesthetics, old bricks offer excellent practical utility. They are ideal for constructing small retaining walls, perhaps 1 to 2 feet high, to manage garden slopes effectively. You can also lay a solid level base for an outdoor shed or other utility structure, ensuring stability. Furthermore, bricks make a wonderfully durable and low-maintenance patio surface, perfect for outdoor dining and relaxation. Their strength makes them incredibly versatile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.